Here is a SOP video we made for you. Here you will see all of the components. The cable, the terminals, the resistant, the micro switch, the top of a terminal holder, the back of a terminal holder, the terminal holder housing, the O-rings for terminals, the screws, the cable fixer, the O-rings for the terminal holder housing, O-rings for the end connector cover. This is the end of connector cover. The connector end waterproof O-ring. The dust cover. Micro switch trigger assembly. Here is the first step. Put the O-ring into the back of the connector housing. We put the O-rings onto the terminals. Put the O-rings onto the connector head. Put the dust cover onto the cable. Put the end of the connector housing onto the cable. Put the waterproof O-ring onto the cable. Here you will see the well prepared. Put the micro switch into the housing. Here the best, we put some AB glue onto the back of the micro switch. Put the connector housing onto the cable. Put the tethered cable into the terminal housing. Now we are going to do the crimping of the terminals. Now we are going to get rid of the insulated coating of the cable. Pick out one of the micro switch cable and the PE cable. Put the terminals onto it. Put the terminals onto the AC plus, AC minus. Crimp the terminals from the hex crimper. Crimp the PP terminals. The CP terminals. Here you will see the AC plus, AC minus, the PE, PP, and CP. Now we are going to put the resistant and put the hot shrinking shooting on it. Now let's pick out of the PE and the micro switch cable and resistant. Let's weld it and put the hot shrinking shooting on it. Now we put the PP and micro switch together to crimp it. Hit the hot shrinking shooting. Insert the terminals into the terminal housing. Screw it. Tidy the cables with insulated tape. Put the connect head into the housing. Screw it. Prepare the micro switch trigger housing. And put it onto the connector head. Screw it. Put the cable fixer. Screw it. Push the O-ring of the cable to the right place. Push the end of the housing to the right place. And fix it with screws. push the dust cover to the right place and cover the connector head. That's all. Thank you for your watching.